In this video, I'm going to show you one example promo code to use in Moldova. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So if you're in Moldova and you're looking for one example promo code to use, this is what you should do. On this page, you're going to click on registration and there are four options. You're going to take the third option. This is because that's the only option that is going to help you to activate the promo code. So choose by email, fill in your surname and your name. In your country, you're going to search for Moldova. So as you search for Moldova, your currency is also going to change to that of that country. You're going to fill in your date of birth and your email address. After filling your email address, you're going to go back to the password section and create a password using these requirements. After creating a password, come to this promo code box and use promo code LEOTV. If you use the promo code LEOTV, Honestbet is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means that you deposit $100, you are going to receive $300 as bonus. Complete your first deposit immediately you register your account to receive that bonus.